Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to convert Excel file to Google Sheet. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. Having opened up your Google Drive, next thing you need to do is to navigate to the new tab right here. Click on new tab. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on upload file. Then select your Excel file. Then come down below here and make sure you click on open, just like so. So just like so, Excel file have successfully uploaded into Google Drive. After successful upload the file into your Google Drive, next thing you can do is to simply come to the tab right here, refresh your Google Drive. Then you have the Excel file from the top. Next thing you can do here is to come to this particular side here, click on this particular three dots, then go to open with. Then make sure you click on Google Sheet. So in a few seconds, the file is going to prepare and open as a Google Sheet, just like so. So next thing you want to do here is to save the file as Google Sheet, just like so. We have successfully opened the file as Google Sheet. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you save the file as Google Sheet. So for you to do that, you have to come to the top right here, click on File, then navigate to Save as Google Sheets. Click on that. So just like so, the file have successfully saved to Google Sheet. So just like so, the file have successfully converted and saved as Google Sheet. So if you go back to the original file, we have the Excel. You can see Microsoft Excel format. If I go back to the next tab here, we have it as keywords, just like so. So if I come to the Google Sheet right here, you're going to see that the Excel format is not going to be here. So basically, this is how to convert your file from Excel to Google Sheet without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.